Hi guys, today I will be doing for you a power punch. So I have here my ingredients. I have oats, malta, some cranberry juice, honey, a little rum, some rose water to spice it up, vanilla, cinnamon, this exotic fruit and nut fusion, chia seed, ripe banana, and losoy. That's the almond losoy, losco losoy. So, and I have some honey from humming tail. Guys, you can check it out. It's on IG. So that's what I'm going to use to add a little sweetening to it, and I'm going to add a bit of dried cherry to this mix also, and some crushed ice. So stay tuned and wait for the finished product. My bullet is right here, NutriBullet, so that's what I'm going to be using. So in a while you'll see what I have to show you when I'm finished. So guys, to start, I've added some water, just a little, in the big size bullet container. Yes, I'm gonna be adding some oats now, followed by the losoy. Just this amount of oats, maybe 3 tablespoons. This is the losoy. I'm gonna use about maybe 3 tablespoons. This is the losoy. I'm gonna be adding this now. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add my peanuts, fruit and nut fusion. This one. I didn't add all the pack, so I'm just gonna add just a few because I'm just making the sponge for one. Okay. So you can add in the ingredients according to how you want to add them in, but I'm just doing it this way. My ripe banana diced up. I'm gonna add this now. Okay. My chia seed. I'm gonna be adding just a little of this cranberry juice, just a little. Give it a little different taste. My malta, just half the bottle. Okay. Don't watch the froth, it's gonna go down shortly. Added the spice, the cinnamon, the rose water, and I'm just gonna add maybe a teaspoon of honey, because most of the other ingredients, some of them are already sweet, so we don't want it to be too sweet. Alright, so I'm gonna add some ice now, and I'm gonna blend. Awesome. Okay. There you have it, guys. My homemade punch. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a full punch. Okay, hope you enjoy. Bye. See you in the next video. Remember to like and share this video, subscribe, if you have not already done so. For all my other subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. The smell of this guy is awesome.